What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Fabulous Tiffany. So today I have an unboxing for you of a small leather good from Louis Vuitton. So if you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching. Okay, so long story short, this has been something that I've wanted for a while, except I never had the opportunity to buy it in stores. And so the last time I went to Las Vegas in December, the sales associate told me that the shops at Crystal's might have had one, but I was then at Wynn and I had dinner reservations at Bellagio, so well, needless to say, didn't get it. And so when the atelier opened up again, I believe in March maybe, let me double check when I ordered this. So I placed this order May 24th, okay? And then on June 21st, my store downtown, for some reason, was the one that shipped out or sent me an email with the shipping confirmation that my item was being shipped, even though I ordered this item online. And so I waited and waited. It's been a month and a week now to the day since I got the shipping confirmation, and finally my item arrived. I just thought the whole shipping process was ridiculous because it started out in New Jersey. Actually, let me pull out the exact travel itinerary of this little guy. So first it started in New Jersey, went its way to Anaheim in California, then to Texas, then to Oklahoma, then to whatever MO is. I have no idea what MO state is. Then to Illinois, then to Washington, back to Illinois, then to Minnesota, back to Illinois, and then came finally onto Canadian soil to Windsor a month after it finally shipped out from, I guess, New Jersey. And so from the start to the end, it took exactly a month and a week to get to basically to Toronto. And so what is it that took this long to get to me? Well, it comes in this little box. And obviously by the title, you would have already known what it is. And this is the first time I'm actually seeing this, so we're gonna do it together. We're gonna unbox it together. So essentially, I got the Mini Pochette. Look how adorable this is. So this little guy took a month and a week to get to me. And I always thought that these came from Paris. Maybe it did, I'm not sure. But the starting, I guess the destination or the city that it was sent out from is New York. And so I picked the monogram Mini Pochette because, well, the Mini Pochette is just way too hard to find when it's not monogram. And like I said earlier, when the ateliers opened after it got shut down because of the pandemic, I just quickly ordered one, thinking that it would be my summer bag. I guess there's still 1 month left of summer that I can use this for, but look how adorable this is. So let me just tell you the details or the color name that I chose. I chose this green blue because it reminded me of the Tiffany blue to a certain degree, and none of the other colors really stood out to me. So I did the green with the white. The lettering, I reversed it so that it's white on top with the green at the back. And then inside, it's the one that's less yellow and more white because they do have an option that's quite similar to this color. Also not canvas, but it's more on the yellow side. This one is more on the white side. So I just thought it's a lot more clean when it's like this, when it's white in the inside. I debated between choosing the green or the yellow, the classic gold, but I don't want to say basic, but it's a very it's a very traditional color, so I stayed away from that. But had I chosen yellow, I think I would have done a red interior. And so obviously you can mix and match however you please, and that's what I love about my monogram. This is actually my first monogram item, and so I'm super excited and super happy about how it turned out. This little guy is made in France. I don't know if all of the pochettes are made in France, but essentially now that we're in, lockdown and during the pandemic, I don't usually use that big of a bag anymore, and so I just literally carry the essentials with me, go to the grocery stores, go to Costco, whatever it is, and I feel as if this bag would suit that need very, very well. As well, I guess you can plop this into your purse and have it be, you know, something that you can remove from bag to bag without having to move everything from bag to bag. And because this comes off, you can always attach this inside the hooks of your bags and put your keys in there, put your credit cards in there for easy access. And so, here it is, a closer look. You've got the tag, you've got the little Made in France stamp. The chain is very fine, very dainty, which I guess suits the bag quite well. And then the bag at the front, the bag at the back, and it's just this perfect little treat. And so if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I absolutely love Louis Vuitton SLGs because I throw them around all the time. I have the toiletry, I have another Though Men, like a clutch, a small clutch item. I'll insert a picture here. I have a wristlet, and they've all been in mint condition. I don't baby out any of my SLGs because they go from bag to bag. I throw it in my work bag, I throw it in my weekend bag, I throw it everywhere. And so none of them really look as if it's been worn down, which is amazing. And so I just believe that the LV canvas is the best canvas when it comes to small leather goods, and it is a leather that you essentially don't need to worry about, as in like the corners paving or like any of the colors coming off or any of the metals rusting or changing color. Like that doesn't happen. And so I'm super happy about this. If you have any questions about the monogram process, then please leave your questions down below. The whole monogram process is quite fun, but I think if you did order it online through your SA, they potentially, and I'm not sure, they potentially may be able to follow up for you better than if you order it online, only because they may have a certain person that they can contact and help you track and understand why your item is taking a month and a week to get to you. And so, yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I will be doing another unboxing. I don't know if you can tell, but there is another box right here of a way more substantial purchase that I just made from Louis Vuitton. It's one of my dream bags that I've been wanting for, I don't even remember, since it came out. Finally took the plunge and got it. And so if you're interested to seeing that unboxing and why I chose this particular bag over the Lady Dior and why I chose this particular size, then scoot on over to my next video and watch it. But in the meantime, please stay safe and stay fabulous.